Alarm.com technology has your whole day handled, with everything in your home working together to keep you safe, secure, and comfortable. Start your day with a wake-up scene, and your Alarm.com system will help you get ready. When it's time to go, just tell Alarm.com to secure your home. Your home responds intelligently to activity, taking care of itself and you. Your Alarm.com app keeps you connected wherever you are. Our technology understands what's okay and lets you know when something isn't. With Alarm.com, you can do things at home from anywhere, see when visitors arrive, talk directly to them, or unlock the door for delivery. Then remotely secure your home again. The service providers who sell Alarm.com technology are smart home security experts. They'll work with you to design and install the ideal system for your needs and budget. Alarm.com is built to adapt and grow with you, and it's easy to add new technology in the future. In an emergency, Alarm.com alerts a secure central station where trained professionals are on hand to alert your police or fire department. Professional monitoring is always included. But we're not just for emergencies. Our technology keeps your family safe and well every day. You could detect a leak and turn your water off. Our smart thermostat saves you energy when you don't need it, helping you keep your bills under control. Alarm.com can even keep you connected to a loved one who lives independently, letting you know that they're safe too. Alarm.com is built by experts, but you don't have to be an expert to use it. From your phone, to your watch, to your voice. It's easy. Put your home to work for you with smarter home technology, powered by Alarm.com.